Can you trust the data collected by your people counting device? These devices are installed in many retail stores around the world to collect essential retail analytics that store directors and management teams use on a daily basis to run their stores better and increase profits. But should you be basing important business decisions on it? The answer is yes, but only if it is accurate. The Vector 4D People Counter by Irisys has an unrivaled count accuracy in excess of 99%, and it does this anonymously without cameras, ensuring that privacy is protected. Accuracy is further enhanced by the ability to detect staff members and remove their movements from count data. This is invaluable in environments with high levels of customer and staff interaction. And even better, the staff detection does not require additional hardware or complicated setup. You can't afford to not have accurate data. Find out more about the Vector 4D People Counter at irisys.net.